It is marvelous indeed to watch on television the rings of Saturn close and to speculate on what we may yet find at the galaxy's edge, but in the process we have lost the human element, not to mention the high hopes of those quaint days when flight would create one world. Instead of one world, we have Star Wars and a future in which dumbed-into human toys will drift mindlessly about the cosmos long after our small planet's dead. And that was the quote. Saturn. Introduction. Saturn is an amazing gas giant. It was named after the Roman god of agriculture. Agriculture is also known as farming. It is 819,700,000 miles, 1,433 kilometers away from the sun. It is 36,184 miles around the planet. It would take you forever to walk around the whole planet Saturn. Moons. Saturn has at least 60 moons. Some of them are called Titan, Mimas, Pan, Atlas, Tarvos, Ymir, Weimer, and Ymir. An interesting fact about Saturn's moons are that even though most of the moons are made of rock, one of them is made of some of the extra gas that Saturn gives off. Even though some of Saturn's moons may seem big, none of them are even big enough to be a dwarf planet. Saturn's biggest moon is called Titan. It is 1,601 miles, 2,576 kilometers around the moon. Special features. One of Saturn's special features is its beautiful and special rings. The rings are made up of icy rock. The rings actually orbit Saturn as Saturn orbits the sun, but all at different speeds. The rings have an interesting feature that all the rings have different sizes, colors, and temperatures. Galileo was the first person to see Saturn, and most people believe he was the one to discover Saturn. Saturn is also the least dense planet. One day on Saturn is 29.5 Earth hours, and a year is 29 Earth years. Geographic features and atmosphere. Saturn has a lot of gas on it, considering it is a gas giant. This planet is almost all gas, except the core is warm with a lot of warm rock. There is a lot of different rock in the core. The most interesting part about the core is it's mostly rock. Its atmosphere is 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. The temperature is negative 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Conclusion. Saturn is very well known for its amazing rings, and they are what really makes Saturn my favorite planet. The fact that the rings are so colorful and big makes Saturn really unique. The rings are very unique, for they are the only rings on any planet that are visible. That's why Saturn is such an amazing planet.